What's the meaning of big business? Big business. Big business.
Big business. Big business. The term big business typically refers to large corporations or companies that have a significant impact on the economy and society. These businesses often have substantial market power, dominate their industries, and exert influence over government policies. The growth of big business has been facilitated by advancements in technology, communication, and transportation, allowing companies to expand their operations globally. However, big business also faces criticism for being driven solely by profit motives and neglecting other social concerns like environmental sustainability, employee welfare, and consumer protection. Despite these criticisms, big business remains a vital component of modern economies, providing employment opportunities, innovation, and economic growth.